Dogecoin surges 34% to push past $11 billion market capitalization. In today's video, we talk about how Dogecoin surges 34% to push past $11 billion market capitalization. Would you like to know how to invest in Dogecoin? How to make money in Dogecoins? Let's talk about it in this video. According to CoinDesk data, Dogecoin surged 34% on Tuesday to an all-time high of $0.095896, bringing its total market value to more than $11 billion. The cryptocurrency that began as a joke based off of the Doge meme has now rallied 1,905% this year, with help from high-profile backers like Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg. Dogecoin is not the only coin to reach new heights on Tuesday. Bitcoin soared to an all-time high above 63,000 United States dollars, while Ethereum set a new record above 2,200 United States dollars. At the same time, Ripple's XRP token surged 28%, reaching its highest point in 3 years. Adam Levine, CoinDesk podcasting and audio managing director, say that the current phase of the bull market cycle and the direct listing of Coinbase later this week may boost the rise of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. He added, "There is usually more than one factor that can drive the price of meme tokens up," Levine told Insider. "One of the interesting things about the Dogecoin is that whenever you get excited about cryptocurrencies, people who don't know anything about cryptocurrencies fall into the Dogecoin ecosystem. This is partly because it's cute, and it doesn't feel intimidating. Partly because these tokens are cheap." He said that momentum may now also push up the price of Dogecoin. Many early Dogecoin supporters thought it had entered a dead end this year, and the coin's crazy rebound was largely unexpected. Now that the price has stayed elevated, it appears to be ticking higher when the broader crypto market gains. Are you enjoying the video? Please click like and share to help our channel. For more interesting videos, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon below. What can you say about this? Just feel free to leave your comments and reactions below. Keep safe, everyone.